Are you getting no conversions on your Google ads? Have you been pouring money into your Google ads and they just seem to be flatlining and you're not getting as many leads as you used to get? And now that's leading to your actual sales going down? In this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 game-changing strategies that you can use to supercharge your Google ads. Tip number 1 is misalignment of ad messaging and landing page. That is exactly how your audience would feel if your ad messaging and your landing page don't quite suit exactly what you are searching for. And I'm going to be giving you a quick example of that right here. So in my game of real estate here, we're searching luxury homes for sale in Kelowna. Let's click on one of the ads here, and you can see they're showing properties that are about $859,000, where a luxury home typically in my market is over 1.5 million. So this is just giving them a blend of a whole bunch of stuff that they're probably not very interested in seeing. We'll go to another one here where they're looking for luxury homes, and you got single family homes, you got condos, you got lots, you got new listings, but it doesn't take me to any actual homes right off the bat. I got to go and navigate and do my own searching and click on them here to see if this is the right one that I'm going to be looking for. And I have to go through all these where a $569,000 condo shows up. Where if when you click on my ads here, you can see that we have a $4 million property right there. We have a 1.9, a luxury brand new. We have 2.5 luxury properties. We have our landing page delivering on wanting and look exactly what people are expected to look for when they type in luxury homes. This is why our ads convert better than anyone else in my market. The next thing that a lot of people forget is Google ads constantly change and they evolve. So they make their ads and they never go in and check on how their keywords are doing and their search terms. So this can be a massive missing link and disconnect in how your Google ads are performing. So if I access my account here and I go into the search keyword terms, I want to be going through how all of them are performing right here. So as you can see, Kelowna waterfront homes for sale, waterfront ad group, how many impressions, how many clicks, how many people are interacting with these. It's got an average click-through rate of $1.22. This is how much we spend, conversion, cost per conversion, and then you can see which ones are performing the best. A lot of times you're going to go through these and a lot of these keywords are performing really poorly, or the average cost is going to be really high. As you can see, all my average costs are pretty in line with each other, and there'll be certain terms that all of a sudden trigger it and are costing a ton. But then the next section is you want to be making sure you're adding negative keywords into this sequence as well, where I don't want people that are looking for Zolo or wholesalers or any of these other keywords. I have 200 plus different keywords in here of different brokerages, people who are renting. I don't want anyone renting. I want them to be looking for homes to buy, looking for rentals, looking for all that. So I make sure I go and I put in a ton of negative keywords so they do not trigger my ad. Next thing that can be a game changer in supercharging your actual ads is your ad copy. And I'll be the first one to say, hey, I'm not a copywriter, but making your ads more simple and concise can be an absolute game changer. You got to think, what are people really doing? They're searching for things on Google and they want the least path of resistance. So you got to be clear and concise in exactly what you're offering. So when I go through my ad copy here on my ads, you can see this one here, one of our ads is Kelowna acreages. Search live acreages, MLS search, updated listings 24/7. This is a live MLS feed updated every 5 minutes with automatically new listing notifications. We go into here, into our campaigns to see exactly how this is produced. So we got all our headlines here, Kelowna acreages, live acreages, updated 24/7, Kelowna acreages for free, fast and free acreage search, award-winning acreage search. And then we have our descriptions here, 100% free. That's something that's really important in real estate. A lot of people think that when they sign up, they're going to have to pay money for these Google ads. And then a big thing too with our actual ads here is we have pictures that show up when people are searching there. This can be a game changer, especially in like a luxury market. You want to see a really nice home for sale there. So as you go through all this, make sure that it's really concise, like Kelowna, BC acreages for sale, fast and free acreage search. So we're touching on a lot of points there too, where this is going to be fast, free. You're going to get exactly what you want. And then going back to my other point there before, where you want to make sure that your actual landing page is in line. So as you can see here, these are acreages, you know what I mean, that have a few acres of property there. So people are getting exactly what they want, the least path of resistance when they go on here. And then when you sign up here, you're going to have to enter your information so we can capture it and give you a call. I can't stress this enough. Google Ads is how I built my business in real estate. And I'm so fired up for my team to be providing marketing service for other people firsthand on how I was able to grow my business using Google Ads. So if you're someone that wants help setting up your ads, go in the description below. There's going to be a Google form that you would have to fill out to see if you'll be a right fit for my team to work with.